Hello all. Today I want to show you how quickly you can create an LWC in Salesforce. You don't need to be a code expert. So let me start. This is my Salesforce dev environment and my Visual Studio Code is already connected to the same environment. So what I'm going to use is I'm going to use the Agentforce vibes. And here I'm going to give the instructions. I want to create an LWC to do a sales calculation. Below is the logic. User will enter the cost of the product. Then need to add 25% profit plus 8.75% sales tax, 3% processing fee, and give the final price to be given to the customer. So suppose for a business, they have the cost of the product, and what they will do is they know they purchase the product for this price, then they add a 25% profit and 8.75% sales tax, and then they need to think of the processing fee, 3%. So all those will be just calculated right away. That's the purpose of this LWC. Let's see how Salesforce is going to help us. So you just press the enter, and then Agentforce is reconfirming some things with us. Let's see what it is. Thanks for the updated requirement. Do you want this as a separate LWC? Yes, create a separate LWC sales price calculator. So it's in the process of creating the HTML file. So it created. I'm not going to review it right now. I'm just going to trust and save the file. Now Agentforce is building the JS file. Going to click and save it. Okay, it created the meta file also. Okay, so it's giving us some informations. Okay, task is completed. I created 2 Lightning Web components per your requirements. Okay, it's talking about my previous trial. Let's not go there. Let's go to the sales price calculator one. Okay, input is cost, profit percent, sales tax percent, and processing fee. So it looks like it clearly understood my requirements. So now what I'll do is I'll go to this left side of the VS Code and click on this file and go to LWC. I can see my new LWC. The name is Sales Price Calculator. So what I'll do is I'll right click and I'll deploy this to source org. It's deployed successfully. So now I'm going to the application, and what I'll do is I'll click on the edit page. I'm on the home page. And I'll drag down and I'll see if this is going to show here. Okay, we can see the new custom LWC sales price calculator. Let me drag and drop it here. And I'm going to just save it. Changes saved. Coming back to the home page. Okay, so suppose I got some product. I have the cost as $100. So now I don't have to think. I know the final price for the customer. So this covers my profit, sales tax, processing fee, and this is really helpful. And this LWC has even gone, one extra mile. It's giving the details of how it is getting calculated. So anytime as a user, I want to make any changes. Oh, now I know I want my profit to be 30%. It's right away going to be reflected. So this is what I wanted to show in this video and share to all the people, all the Salesforce developers who want to see how they can easily create an LWC. Thank you.